until 10:00 p.m. At 9:13 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Matheson, or 13 miles west of Lemon, moving south at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Simula and Matheson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. Your normal program has been suspended due to severe weather in the listening area. For full information, visit www.weather.gov/Denver. Stay tuned for important emergency information. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Elbert County until 10:00 p.m. At 9